Meaning of hand-me-down.
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 Hand-me-down. Hand-me-down refers to an item of clothing or other possession that is passed down from one person to another. This can be from an older sibling to a younger one or from parents to children. The term hand-me-down implies that the item has already been used by someone else and is not new. These items are often seen as economical and practical, as they save both money and resources. Additionally, hand-me-downs can hold sentimental value for those who receive them, as they may have belonged to a beloved family member or friend.